Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video we're going to be talking about glitter, and specifically glitter liner. This is super easy. Don't be afraid. It might be a little bit crazy, a little bit too much, but this is a demonstration where you can have over your face. If you're interested in how to get this glitter and all my tips and secrets about glitter, please stay tuned and let's get started. I'm going to prime my lid with NYX primer. And then I'll set this with my James Charles eyeshadow palette. I have a couple of colors that I really love from this palette and I want to recreate them in today's tutorial. And let's set my lid with something super soft like that pink. This is my regular pink shade that I use a lot on my channel and in my videos. Super soft, translucent, let's say pink color. Before I do any sort of glitter, I want to make sure that I have a beautiful, crazy line that I'm going to fill in later on. Today I'm going to be going to my Catrice 24-hour liner. Okay, I'm going to create a huge line. The colors that I'm about to use are going to be this shimmery blue color, super pretty color. And by the way, why am I using shimmers underneath my glitter is because it's given a little bit more pop of color when you put on a glitter. What I really love doing is wetting my brush with a beauty blender and some leftovers like liquid in my beauty blender. And then I'll go on top of the line. Always go to your brush and wipe off any fallouts. In the outer corner, I will be going with a little bit different shade. This is going to be this purple, and at this point I don't really want to go to this shimmery color because it's not as shimmery, more like glittery shade. This one is matte, but it's going to still give a pop of color underneath. But for matte colors, I do not recommend you to use any sort of wet brushes because this might cost something messy and crazy looking. And then just fill in the rest of my line. That's pretty much it. And for my inner corner, I was looking for some greenish shade, but I wanted this to be super soft green. So we're going to be mixing 3 colors to get the shade that I want this to be. Like that. Mix this with this neon, let's say green, going back with the same shimmers, and then a little bit of the champagne color that's gonna make it look different. Okay, this is definitely not the brush. I have to choose a little different one. This one is a pointy brush. Let me tell you that you should always keep in mind that glitter has to be for makeup. I have this really old NYX glitter palette, and the best thing, well, it's a little bit old. That's why the pigment is still there, but the glue inside is kind of dry. I told you this in a couple of videos ago where you just grab aloe vera. I know that people are selling this, small businesses are selling this, Korean brands, a lot of them have this aloe vera gels. You can go to this type of aloe vera gel, just purchase this, or if you have your personal aloe vera gel, this is going to be a great option. First of all, it's not going to irritate your eyes except for if you have allergy to aloe vera, obviously, but it's natural, it's super liquid, and when it dries out, it practically holds your glitter in place. My colors is gonna be my blue, sort of like bluish, dark blue, navy blue color, and then I'm gonna mix this in with this purple shade, and I'm gonna get a little bit of my aloe vera gel inside this pan. Mix this in my pan like this. Great. And then I'll get this on top of my shimmers. I'm gonna go with the same gel, some leftovers. Practically don't really need much. And then I'll go with this beautiful purple glitter on top. We're spreading this gel all over my glitter. Smudge this line. Okay, this is my right eye. I'm gonna do pretty much similar routine for my left eye, and then I'll be back to show you something that I have for my lips. When you take off your glitter, use some tape. That way you can take off easily lots of glitter. It's not gonna harm and damage your skin. That is the main reason why go grab some tape, press it a couple of times when you are more or less satisfied with the result, then wipe off your makeup. I have brown pencil, and MUA Makeup Academy. This is Velvet Matte Lawn Wear Liquid Lip. Go into my lip pencil. I want to use a couple of shimmery colors, let's say, from this Cute and Pretty palette. Let's go with this blue shade, and I'm gonna press it in the middle. I'll go over with a little bit different color. This is going to be purple. Let's go over this color in the center. This is Givenchy lip gloss, and I'm going on top of my lipstick and then get it all over. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. This was about glitter liner. This is the way I do my glitter liner every single time. Do not forget to use your tape before you take off your glitter and wipe this off. And I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye bye.